Hello, this is Sue from dragoncreations.co.uk, and today we're going to try something totally different. So, numbers. First of all, I made up 40 grams, which was, no, sorry, start again, 80 grams, which was 42A, 38B, mine's a 1:1 resin, and I put it in the moulds, debubbled it and let it set, so it's totally solid. Now, the reason I've let this set is because I'm going to add glitter, and we all know that glitter sinks to the bottom, and I didn't want the feeling of the glitter, because sometimes if you put too much glitter in something you're making, you can actually feel the glitter and it causes a rippling effect on the top of the resin, and I didn't want that. So I want the glitter to be in the resin, if you know what I mean. So there's going to be a clear layer between our glitter. Now, I've made up 160 grams of clear, which is 84A, 76B, again 1:1 resin, and I've decanted 40 grams into a smaller one because I've had an idea. Now, you know I like an experiment. I'm going to put that on there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be frivolous with glitter, because we've all got glitter, and we only use a little bit here and there, and I've got so much glitter that I thought, no, I'm just going to throw it in. So I've got some holographic chunky glitter. This is blue, and I am literally going to throw so much in. It's obscene. And the reason I wanted to do this is because, as I say, we've all got glitter and we only put a small amount in. And I thought, no, I'm going to actually use it and put quite a bit in. So I haven't measured it, I've just thrown, oh, see, I've still got so much left. It's terrible. I could actually put more in. I think I will actually. See, that's the beauty of having the clear layer. You can add as much glitter as you want because you won't be able to feel it. I just got fed up with seeing my glitters everywhere and thinking, oh, I've put a bit of glitter in this and a bit of glitter in that. And I thought, no, I'm actually going to use my glitter. Don't be afraid of your glitter. I'm just going to let them level out. And then, with my rest of my resin, so that's 160 minus 40 is 120. I have got my Hemway chunky, extra chunky white glitter. So, and I am going to throw an obscene amount in. Whoa, that is an obscene amount of glitter. Just make sure you mix it thoroughly. Right, now the blue has found its way. What I'm going to do is pour the white around the edges and see what happens. There's no rhyme or reason to this. It's purely I want to use glitter. So let's put it around the edge to start off with. Okay, I'm going to carry on pouring around the edge so it mixes with the blue. What do you reckon? Should I put a bit of blue in here as well? Yeah, let's go for it. So there's quite a bit of blue in there. Oh, it's gone gold. So I'll go around the edge again. And it shouldn't affect your drying or anything like that, because it's just like using sand, if you've ever used sand in resin. Let's just have a look at my levels. I might just mix that blue up a little bit. And depending on what these look like, I might do them in a different colour, because as I say, I've accumulated a lot of glitter. Quick debubble. So don't, come on, don't let your flame sit on the resin because it will burn the glitter because there's a lot in there. Just let it gently brush over it. And if you want to, you can just put alcohol, spray a little bit of alcohol on it to get rid of any bubbles. And that's it. So I shall put these to one side, cover them and leave them to set. And we shall see if my glitter attack worked. So I shall see you in the demould. Bye for now. Right, they're all nice and set. So here we go. Oh. Can you see the texture of that? So if you didn't have a clear layer between the top and the bottom, that texture would be on the top. So, oh wow, that is sparkly. And I hope you can see it's smooth. Let me try and, there's no texture on the top. So it's well worth doing if you're gonna cram something full of glitter. That is so sparkly, it's unbelievable. And the texture on the back, the glitter has sunk, but you can feel that there's something in there. Very peculiar. So again, we've got the texture on the back here. Can you see the texture? You can't really see it. It's more a feel. So here we go. Oh, something so simple. Just putting glitter and nothing else in. I mean, you can just about see through them. But other than that, they are so sparkly. I will take them out in the sunlight so you can see them sparkle. But I am really, really pleased with that. I'm going to do a different colour, I think. Do you know what I might do? I might even top coat them to try and give that glitter even more depth. And mind you, we have given them enough top coat with the thin layer, because the thin layer has totally disappeared. I wonder what would happen if I did top coat them. I might experiment and top coat them just to see what they look like with a top coat on, because I don't top coat many things, but I wonder what would happen to the sparkle then. Right, okay, so I will decide whether or not to top coat, and then I shall, if I do, it will only be 20 grams that I mix up, which will be 10 to 10, 10A and 10B, and then I will just literally very, very thin layer. I wonder what, yes, I might top coat them. So I shall show you when I take them out in the sunshine if I top coated them or not. I'll do a before and an after one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.